Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Gyoza pizza. When I make gyoza, I always have either leftover gyoza wrapper or gyoza filling. They never match. So today I'm going to show you what I do with leftover gyoza wrapper. It's more like a snack, so no meal building part at the end of the video today. Okay, let's get started. We know what you need. Leftover gyoza wrapper, shredded mozzarella, ketchup or tomato sauce and your favorite toppings. Today I'm doing onion, sausages and rockets, but any topping you like. Let's prepare the toppings. So onion. I'm going to use a quarter, so let's cut it into 4. Cut the top and the bottom off. Remove the skin. And let's make thin slices. Sausages into thin slices too. Prepare oven sheet lined with parchment paper. Put some gyoza wrapper. Some ketchup or tomato sauce. Spread it. And the toppings. Rocket. And shredded mozzarella. Okay, let's grill until the edge of the gyoza wrapper is nicely browned. Grilled for 10 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius and gyoza pizza is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The gyoza wrapper is so crispy. You may want to buy gyoza wrapper just to make this pizza. Delicious! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!